Do you want to run now? Run? Run there, not. Yeah.
Now run as fast as you can.
Come back.
Come on, run fast. Faster, faster, faster. Look at that sprinter.
Yay!
Alright, I'm going to chase you. Ready?
How old are you?
2.
Almost 3.
Almost 2.
Almost 3. I'm going to get you. I'm going to get you.
Where are you going?
Barkley, are you eating a leaf? You are. Oh no, let's not eat a leaf.
Really?
Barkley was eating a leaf.
It's either a week.
Come here, Goose. We're going to see a playground.
Okay.
Hi. Hi, camera. Hi.
Nice wave.
Nice wave, sweetie.